Welcome back to the channel DM with Karl, where we help you start and grow on YouTube. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we create new videos every single week, helping you start and grow on YouTube. Let's get you access to those custom thumbnails so that you can get more clicks and get more views today. To get started, let's jump onto the computer and we're going to head inside YouTube Studio and scroll down the left-hand side and click on that Settings tab. Then we're going to head down and select Channel. Head across to Feature Eligibility, and there's going to be default features there and features that require phone verification. In order to get access to your custom thumbnails, you're going to have to verify your YouTube channel. If you aren't verified yet, then you can watch our video here that walks you through the process to get your YouTube channel verified. If you click on the drop down on the right hand side, you're going to see that once your channel is verified, you're going to get access to videos longer than 15 minutes. You're going to get custom thumbnails. You're going to get access to live streaming, and you're going to be able to appeal content ID claims. Out of all of these features that you're going to get access to, custom thumbnails is going to help you grow your YouTube channel the most. The more clicks you can get by creating great custom thumbnails that entice people to click on your videos, the faster you're going to grow your YouTube channel. So make sure you take the time today to verify your YouTube channel so that you can get access to those custom thumbnails and start creating great custom thumbnails that people want to click on. Your custom thumbnails are like mini billboards for your videos, and you need to make sure that you give them the best possible chance of getting people to click on them. So make sure you take the time and effort to craft beautiful looking thumbnails that get you lots of clicks. Now, a lot of people ask me when I talk about verifying their YouTube channel why they don't get the verification badge next to their YouTube channel name. There's a difference between verifying your YouTube channel and getting a verification badge. The verification badge on YouTube has a requirement of a minimum of 100,000 subscribers. The verification that I'm talking about, verifying your YouTube channel, does not give you access to this badge. Any brand new YouTube channel can verify their YouTube channel using their phone number and get access to these amazing additional features. If you're wanting to get the verification badge, then this video is not for you. In this video, we're just going to help you get access to those custom thumbnails. So if your YouTube channel isn't verified yet, let me show you how you can verify your YouTube channel. Let's jump back in, and under the features that require phone verification, if you aren't verified yet, there'll be a button here where it says verify with your phone number. I want you to click on that. If you can't get here, then there's another shortcut that you can use. Open up a new tab and type into that new tab youtube.com/verify and then hit enter. If your channel is verified, you'll get this blue verified tick and it'll say your YouTube account has already been verified. If you haven't verified your YouTube channel yet, you're going to arrive on the first step in the process of verifying your YouTube channel. You're going to have to input what country you're from and then input your mobile number. And then they're going to send you a verification text if you select that option. The other option is ask them to phone you and read out your verification number that you can then put in to verify your YouTube channel. Out of these two options, I find the phone call much easier. The text message is delayed sometimes, and sometimes that verification code doesn't even come through in the text message. I've had a lot of people ask me in the past why these text messages don't actually come through. And a lot of the time, it's a problem with the mobile service provider and not actually YouTube sending the text message. So if you want to get verified and you want to do it straight away, then select the call me option. You don't actually have to talk to anyone. It is just a pre-recorded message that reads you out a PIN. So don't worry about having to talk to anyone. Use the phone verification option and it'll be quicker and easier to get your YouTube channel verified. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, please let me know in the comment section down below where you got stuck and how I can help you verify your YouTube channel. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we create new videos every single week, helping you start and grow on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and if you want to find out how you can get more views on your YouTube channel, then watch this video next.